Today we talk about how to use Express Transient Mode with Apple Pay without Face ID, Touch ID or Passcode. To use Express Transient on your iPhone or Apple Watch, you need to ensure that your device is compatible iPhone 6s or later and Apple Watch 2 or later, and that you have the latest version of iOS and watchOS. You should also make sure that you are signed into iCloud using your Apple ID and what you are using an eligible card in wallet to use for Express Transient. To check for updates or updates your device, go to Setting, General, Soft Update on your iPhone. To set up an Express Transient card on your Apple device, follow these steps. 1. Open the Setting app. 2. Scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay and tap on it. 3. Look for the Transient Card section and select Express Transient Card. 4. You will see a list of your payment cards. Tap on the one you want to use as your Express Transient card. 5. Authenticate your device using either Face ID, Touch ID or your device passcode.